Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about continuous. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the value of alpha to make sure that this one always continuous everywhere. That means the limit on the left equals to the limit on the right and equals to f of number 1 at s equal to number 1 in here. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing we just consider about this one and this one. So we put number 1 cone here. So we have alpha square. This one we have number 1. So we can write like this. We have alpha equals to alpha to the power of 3 minus alpha. So this one we can do about factorization. This one we have alpha and we have alpha square minus number 1. And now I will put this one go to the left. Now we can do about identities in here. Number 1, that's about 1 square. So this one we have alpha minus number 1 and alpha plus number 1. Now we can do about factorization by alpha and alpha plus 1. So we simplified. And now we need to find the solution of this one. So we have alpha equals to number 0, alpha equals to negative number 1. So we put this one equal to number 0. So we have alpha equals to negative number 1 and alpha equals to number 2. That's it from here. Now we put this one go to here. So I will consider 0, negative number 1 and number 2. Number 2, when alpha equal to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here and you got about 0. So when s approach to number 1 on the right, so there should be about number 0. So if we put number 0 in here, on the left, on this one equals to number 0. So we need to select the next one, alpha equals to negative number 1. So we put negative number 1 cone here. And we put number 1 cone here. So we simplified. And we know that number 8, that is about 2 to the power of 3. So I will put number 3 go outside here. Law base number 2 of number 2, we have number 1. so we have negative number 3. So we put negative number 1, go back in here, and you got number 0 in here. This one you got number 0. However, on the right we have negative number 3, so they are different, so we need to reject. Now we just have only number 2. Now we put alpha equals to number 2 going here. So we have like this. And this one we have number 6. So if we put number 2 going here, you got number 0, but this one you got number 6. So we need to reject. So we just have only this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.